Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. Hi friends and welcome back. In today's video I am joining my beautiful friends Kristi and Antoinette on their open invite collaboration. The two ladies have teamed up to bring you some beautiful decorating ideas for the upcoming holidays. They asked us to share with you our DIY Christmas wreath. If you guys are not familiar with the two ladies' channels, both their channels are linked in my description box below and also the playlist. So make sure you go over to the playlist and both their channels, show the ladies some love and support and check out all the other participants. Before moving on to my DIY Christmas wreath, I want to thank Kristi and Antoinette for hosting this wonderful collaboration. Thank you girls! Now, let's get started on my DIY Christmas wreath. For my wreath, I'm going to be using this as a base. I picked this up for €1.25 at my thrift store, and that was a while back. I had no plans for it until now. And I also had on hand this pretty burlap ribbon with this red chevron pattern on it. And I'm going to be wrapping the wreath all in this ribbon. And here is the wreath all completely covered in the burlap ribbon. And now I'm just going to embellish it with some greeneries and some berries and stuff like that. Now this is the moment where I usually say that I don't like to make my DIYs permanent. So I never glue down anything I do. But in this case, I didn't have much to hold on to, and I thought, well, let's just try gluing it down and we'll see what happens. Now, I do have to mention that I really like gluing it down because it works so much easier and so much faster. But still, I am not a big fan of making things permanent. So we will have to see in the future if I am going to be continue gluing things down. Now as you can see, I am adding different colors and different types of greenery just to give it that mix and match look. And I am leaving a space in the middle because there I'm going to be attaching some pine cones. Now since this pine cone doesn't have enough base to hold on to, I decided to add some metal wire and attach it like that to the wreath. But all the other smaller pine cones I will be gluing on directly to the wreath. Now to add more color to the wreath, I am just adding these white sticks. As you can see, I just added 3 just to give it that whimsical look and some red frosted berries. I want to add the letters or the word joy to my wreath, and I had this piece of wrapping It came with the bed throw that I picked up a few months ago, and I have this book cover paper, and what I'm going to do is just glue down the book cover paper to that piece of what is it, that piece of wrapping, just to create a more sturdier base for my letters. To create the letters, I am going to use my letter stencils, and as you can see, the red paper is upside down, so I'm going to trace out the letters in mirror image. And the reason that I do that is that I don't want any pencil stripes from the trace out to show on the letters. And next I'm using my X-Acto knife to cut out the letters. To create a snowy effect on the letters, I'm just going to use a little bit of glue and some white glitter. Now, since I'm not worried about making this not permanent, I am also gluing down the letters to the wreath. And here is the final result, you guys. I am absolutely in love with how this turned out. And let me show you up close, because like I said, I did some more embellishment. As you can see, I added more pine cones and more red frosted berries. And I also added some more single berries here and there in the greenery, as you can see. And you guys, I am really loving this burlap ribbon with the chevron pattern on it. It is so cute. And here is a up close of the letters with that snowy effect that I am really loving. Well, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this and that I could have given you some inspiration how to create your own beautiful Christmas wreath. Now, don't forget to check out the playlist. I have linked that below. And I want to give a very special thanks to my two beautiful friends, Kristi and Antoinette, for hosting this wonderful collaboration. Thank you, girls. It was so much fun participating. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one really soon. Bye!